One of the major things that we're focusing on is like YouTube and our website. These are the two main streams that we are into, because people in general, video loving people, are not really good readers. That is the primary reason why they're on YouTube. And readers are not very video friendly, and it's the reason why they are usually on
On the
blogs.
website.
So
Yeah.
those are two different streams that we're targeting, and hence two different social medias to tackle both.
So are you like combining the video and the text in your website, like having the video on the top
Yeah.
and bottom?
We also have our video section on our website, but we push the articles more on our website, and all of our writers that have joined with Take Two over time in the 1 month have their own space there. They can be unfiltered. Raw is a word that Take Two genuinely follows at all
So
times.
it's like a complete freedom for the writers to choose what they want to write about, because there are many, we write about everything and anything under the roof, so they can write about anything. And we have, like, currently we have more than 25 writers who are working on our website.
Wow, that's great.
So, like, do you also use marketing strategies, certain marketing strategies in order to get your website on top of the Google search, or do you like just
Right
for
now,
now
we
you're-
haven't really entered a search engine optimization just yet, because it also catches up once you have that much content to put out. 2 weeks ago, we did not have as many blogs that we could entertain a person for 10 whole minutes. Often people will just go through your blog. So now is a point where we'll start with our SEO. And apart from that, we have kind of dabbled with Reddit a little bit, because we've heard Reddit communities are a good way to generate traction. That is something that we've tried. But more or less, right now, we're focusing on pushing our
The
things on
content
social
that
media.
we can, yeah.
So, but how do you push a single social media? I mean, is there a rule or something कि एक दिन में इतने post जाने ही चाहिए या एक
So
दिन
for
में
the
इतने ही
first, one of the there's a marketing strategy called push push push. It is just about putting your brand name out there so much that people get fed up after a point, and once they do, that's when you stop. So last week we realized we reached a point of that people were kind of tired of seeing Take Two enough. So that is the strategy that we followed in the start. So now we're gonna try to pace ourselves a little bit more. So for the start, we put out almost 3 posts and a video a day, sort of a thing we did for I think a week, and then we started pacing ourselves.
So did you use like any subscription model or something like that for no currently?
No. It was just random gut based feeling that आज बहुत ज़्यादा post चले गए तो कल कम जाएंगे. So as to balance, so that you as audience,
any average post
when you
क्या?
मतलब नहीं, we have a cap कि मतलब इतने से ज़्यादा post तो नहीं जाएंगे. We have a cap, तो इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं जाएंगे. उससे ज़्यादा अगर if it is very important that you need to push this blog today and you need to push this video today, only then we breach that line. Otherwise, it is always
media is
inside.
so dynamic. Like there are things that keep happening all around that often we want
Very fickle
to
in
put
nature.
an opinion out there.
Yeah.
So those things just can't wait. So we, even though we know that might irritate our viewer, but it is important to put it out there. So only then we break the cap.
First, and getting the efficient content is the most important thing, right?
Yeah, that is what we are trying to do right now.
So in your videos, I've seen the 4 of you are constantly generating face in the video, right? So what is the rule for that? I mean, तुम चारों होने ही चाहिए वीडियो में या how does it work?
No. Initially when we started, we had, it was just 4 of us, and we used to shoot a lot of videos. Like हम काफी videos shoot करते थे, एक दिन में 2 videos 3 videos we used to kind of do. So we had a lot of those. Now you'll be seeing a lot more of team Take Two. Our Think Box, our team, we call the Think Box. You'll be seeing a lot more of them, because now we've streamlined everything. We have just, existing for 40 days.
So I'm sure you have seen all the videos of Take Two India. So what is your favorite video?
Raw Talks Mumbai. Stories of Mumbai Raw Talks. That's an absolute
I love
favorite.
that video. I love that video.
For me, it has to be. I think it has to be the Dil Dhadakne Do revisit, because I don't know. I love the film so much that I just feel that was the best frame of mind I was personally in when I was talking about that film.
Okay, for me, I can't choose one. I've been a part of maximum videos. I've edited almost all of them, and I simply can't choose one because it was so much fun shooting each and every one of them, because none of them was scripted till now. Till this point, we haven't had a single script for any of our videos. So it is all very
and I guess that's how it should be, right? So on the other side of the spectrum, what's that one video that you wish to change something of? I know Prasham's answer, and why and what would you like to change?
Okay, I'll only go first. You know my answer. I'll change your conception about that answer.
Okay. Wait. The one thing that I wish to change in your video as an audience is the length of the first video that we have had a chat on.
Exactly. See.
Yeah.
Now I would have chosen that video and the length of that video to be cut short. But now I know that if that video hadn't gone out, then maybe our 10th or 11th video would have been of 30 minutes length, and we would have lost our audience because of that, or the interest of our audience. So it is good that we made that mistake in the first video itself. We know how to rectify it now.
For me, I think I would like to redo our first video, Mr. Serial Killer. One of the concepts I did not have then is कि Skype पे मुझे जो screen दिख रही है, screen से छोटी है. So I'm sitting extremely close to the camera. And I also did not have the concept of, there's a pura aura. When you're on screen for 30 minutes, there's an aura that you have to be, and which is not followed in our first video. It is so embarrassing. Eventually, I think it will be taken off sometime, a year into that's one video I don't want.
I always remember the firsts of everything that we do, because those are the things which really push you, and you really see yourself. You were here, then you came here, then you were here. You saw your starting point. You're seeing what you are right now. So then you can see what you were and how you are now, and then you can give a pat on your back and then move ahead. That's what I feel. Because
but not flexing. Yeah, not flexing, but in the current open mic groups in Thane, we are right now at the top. I mean, we are the only poetry open mic, right? But amidst all the natural open mics, मतलब all art open mics as they term it, क्योंकि हम लोग ने वो पहले beginners luck से भी changed many things, and अभी हम लोग का quarantine में भी हम लोग का social media पे रोज 2 post जा रहे हैं. So our social media marketing is really on point right now.
That's great.
In time that we really weren't getting attraction at all. Like there was a certain point in time that everyone has that phase, not in just social media, or not in in just your feed or in your channel. It's in general. You have that low point in your life, and I really like to keep those things. ऋतुपर्ण को मैंने आज तक नहीं बोला कि ब्रो फर्स्ट पोस्ट निकाल देते, it was like because we were so different, and that feeling that really drives you what you're doing right now. So that's just a suggestion, you guys. Keep that first. You will always remember that first step that you took.
And it is also कि when you reach a certain point, like we haven't reached anywhere as of yet. Okay, we are just 40 days old, but still our first video is doing much better after we had posted the 10th or 11th video, because people wanted to see कि ये 11 video में भी अगर they have evolved, so how have they evolved? So they see the first video, then they see the 5th video, then they come to the 11th video, and then they see the gradual progression or the gradual downfall according to them, however they judge us.
So I saw your video regarding the Sushant Singh Rajput death and the mental health talk, right? So किया था ना ये video?
No, I think we put out a post.
अरे हाँ नहीं ठीक है. So okay, so question is right, ठीक है. So is it too late to talk about it, or is this the right time to talk about it, about the mental health issues, right? Mental health awareness.
Now this is where the dark side of social media is exposed, because we were talking about making a video on it, because as students, a lot of us had faced, phases of stress. But when we went on to social media, we saw there are people who have made videos on worst, randomest of topics, and they've used his name there. So right now, I mean, for the past 2-3 days, hashtag Sushant Singh Rajput has been trending for, reasons of popularity and not for why it should. And that is why we held out our video. We have a video on that. It hasn't gone out just yet because we don't think it would do it justice.
And the thing is that, mental health, there's no right or wrong time to talk about it, that I think. And there's always a, place to talk about mental health because it needs to be talked about.
The reason why I was against putting it on a personal level, like why we have held it, is also partly because of that, is that whatever we talk right now will be held as a conspiracy theory. Because everything about it has been a conspiracy theory, but people are believing what they want to believe. So we don't want to add to the potential, as we like to call it, trash talk that is going on around it. There is no reason why we should be adding to the things that are not proven out there.
और आग में घी डालने के काम नहीं करने
हमें, और नहीं हमें आग के पास जाने के काम करने नहीं है at this point.
Your next question was about film reviews, but तुम लोग ने बोला है कि unscripted है. So the question was कि film reviews are a major part of Take to India. So what's the process behind it? Process of reviewing a film, but yeah, unscripted. Even if
I think there is no process to reviewing a film anyways. It's just about sitting in front of camera and talking about what you feel. That is all.
तो मेरे को बस एक क्वेश्चन है इस बात में. I wanted to ask कि was there a point in your reviews that you wanted to be diplomatic about what you're talking about, not giving an extreme answer about something? Have you ever thought about it, or you just pour your heart out and give whatever you feel like?
I guess we pour our hearts out. There are some places where we do draw boundaries because we are not we are not
qualified. We are not qualified film critics
right now, so we don't want to hurt anybody's feelings because we have not been on set that way, the way they have, whoever the writer is and whoever the director is, and we respect their efforts and their art. So there is a particular line that we will never cross. But then an honest review worth the money or not, there are a lot of people who will tell you if the movie is worth the money or not. We just tell you how we felt.
Also, review is about honesty. We are not putting a critical analysis. We are doing reviews, and reviews are your honest opinions on what you felt. So we are going to talk about it honestly. And second thing, that people tell to reviewers and critics कि you should respect the struggle that the team has gone through to make this film. I am saying that this struggle doesn't necessarily mean कि वो अच्छी चीज बनाई है ना. मैं तो प्रोडक्ट को देखूंगा, अगर मुझे नहीं पसंद आया तो मैं बोलूंगा कि मुझे नहीं पसंद आया. So that is what we focus on.
Okay. One more essay, ये भी लिस्ट में नहीं था. So is streaming streaming applications the future?
No.
As compared to what? As compared to theaters? As compared to what?
As compared to theaters.
No.
I don't think.
Absolutely not.
As compared to TV, maybe yes. As compared to television and entertainment channels, maybe yes.
Yeah, if you're talking about series, OTT is gonna flourish. If you're talking about movies, no.
Actually, मेरे को एक question है. Do you guys also do for Hollywood?
We haven't really gotten into it because the reason why we are so confident about Bollywood is because we follow it up to that limit to make a comment about it. And Hollywood, we watch movies, we like Hollywood movies, but utna hum usme involved nahi hai too.
It has always been about Bollywood because I am from a small town, and the availability of Hollywood movies was scarce. We only used to get to see Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings or a big budget Hollywood action movie, but I didn't see any Hollywood movie, the mainstream ones that I wanted to. So basically, I've grown up watching Bollywood, so मुझे उसी में ज़्यादा interest है.
The next question is, what according to you is the perfect review for a movie?
According to us, is what we are doing is right. I think we are pouring our hearts out. That's what you should be doing. No sugarcoating.
A perfect review is how well you are able to express what you felt while watching a film, and that is how it goes. I think.
एक last question, then we can wind this up. How to get a startup like yours get going? right? I mean, how to sustain in the business. I know you guys are 40 days old, but still.
The primary problem is, I think, generating traffic to your website. For the first few articles or the first few videos, you genuinely get a good response because people are like, oh, this is my friend or this is my sister who started something new, nice, we can try. But then eventually, you need something to, grab them back.
Hold them there.
Attached. So that's the sweet spot that we need to find.
I think.
Plus, don't miss your deadlines.
Yeah.
If you've decided something is coming up on Monday or a Tuesday or a Wednesday, release it on that day. Do not miss your deadline.
See, now in the 40 days, let me be very frank, we have had it very easy. We have had it extremely easy to reach this spot because it is when you are a media, when we started off, there was zero investment needed. You could start a website, you could design a website on Wix, you could start a YouTube channel for free, you put out videos by shooting like this, and it's all good. Because this is a lockdown, we are sitting at our homes, we don't have anything to invest in. It is now only when we go out after the lockdown is over, then we will see that we need to improve in this aspect, this aspect, this aspect. So this is where the investment is needed, this is where the investment is needed. And also, the second advice I would say, because I can't give advice right now at this point, but one thing that I am going to do is stick with it, come what may. Even if we fail, even if our videos keep bombing on YouTube, like if we don't get even 100 views for 10 videos on the trot, we will still put out videos because we know that eventually we'll reach somewhere. Don't like you if you close it down in 3 months, 4 months, then you have not given a fair chance to the startup you did thought of.
Yeah, your dedication will.
Because we'll have to maintain the consistency when we are busy with our colleges or our jobs. That at that time we'll face difficulties to maintain that consistency. So we're preparing for that now.
Yeah, we are now looking forward to that. Because we don't want to disappoint even those 10 people जो हमें genuinely कर रहे हैं कि we got busy. So Take Two will never be second priority for us. We have read a lot of people say कि we started something but it didn't do well, so we kind of took it down. We're never going to take anything that we put out there down. We'll keep pushing it because एक point तो आएगा where either we crack or we crack the audience कि अच्छा हाँ, this is the key. So time, I think, is what is needed. Patience.
Yeah, I actually really like the spirit, getting this positive vibe from you guys that this is going to turn up something big one fine day. It will. And I always wanted to say this to a particular team, so I'm telling this to you. This is just made up of my own, that one day when you stop counting your subscribers, when you stop counting how many views you get, that means that you have accomplished something. That means that you have got that particular way that you don't have to track your views because you're anyways going to get that. And that's what I'm getting those vibes from you guys. I know definitely that you guys are going to do something.
I get the meaning behind this. But for me, I am never going to stop counting views or counting subscribers because I love going through the stats of every video after we put them in for the next 3 days. I am after that video stat full time.
I think we are still pretty confident about it. इसमें की है ना कि आप अपने कंटेंट से confident हो कि भाई मुझे पता है मैंने अच्छी चीज डाली है. अब response इस पे जब भी आए तो we do doubt, we do have bad days, we do see some of the videos and think like the stories of Mumbai video, all of us absolutely loved it. हमें लगा ये हमारा best podcast होगा, but I think it didn't turn out with as much views as some of our other podcasts have gotten.
Yeah, if you saw our Black Lives Matter wala discussion, we didn't expect it to do that well how it did. And we did expect Stories of Mumbai to do really well, which it didn't. Like as per our expectations, it did pretty good. So that is how it works. We are still surprised by response to some of our videos.
We wish you good luck, not good luck, but all the best because you are going to crush it, and we know that. So yeah, and
thank you for coming.
Really, thank you all for coming.
Thank you for attending the first episode of Artist Set Action. We hope to see you guys really soon.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.